Most people look at an old Chevy Silverado and just see a work truck, something your uncle used to tow a trailer or haul drywall with 240,000 miles on the odometer. But the GM T800 Silverado is secretly one of the best budget truck platforms GM ever made, because underneath that simple body, you're getting one of the most mod-friendly V8 platforms in existence. The 4.8, 5.3, and 6.0 Vortec engines are all part of the LS-based truck family, which means parts are everywhere, the aftermarket is massive, and these trucks can go from boring daily driver to rowdy street truck way faster than people expect. And one of the first upgrades that completely changes the personality of these trucks is not some crazy engine build, it's headers. Because most people think the exhaust starts at the muffler, but the real restriction starts way closer to the engine. The factory exhaust manifolds are built to be cheap, quiet, emissions friendly, and easy for GM to mass produce. They do the job, but they are definitely not designed to make your Silverado sound angry. That's where the Flashark long tube header kit comes in. This setup is designed for the 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive with the 4.8, 5.3, or 6.0 Vortec 5.8. And instead of keeping those restrictive factory manifolds, these long tube headers help the engine breathe better by improving exhaust flow right as the gases leave the cylinders. The kit also includes the headers, Y-pipe, mounting hardware, and installation accessories, so it is not just some random set of pipes you have to figure out yourself.